Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just select your language. Now once you select your language, just tap on continue. From here, just tap on next and tap on get started. Now from here, just select a wallpaper. Now once you select a wallpaper, just tap on continue. Now from here, just tap on continue with free version. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to set up the iOS launcher. Now from here, just tap on the screen to start. Now just tap on set as default. Now on this page, just select Launcher OS. Now as you can see, this is how you can install iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.